Shotgun and beers at the boathouse while the flotilla's delayed. Shotgun! Boo, Eric, you're leaking it all! Drink it!
How was that leaking?
It was all coming to your toes.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you so much trouble doing it? How that leak? Upside down like that? Yeah. That's not very small.
All right.
Opposite side.
You do the opposite side.
I do the opposite side.
I do the same side.
Yeah, but
I
go opposite side. I go opposite side too.
You go like this.
Yeah.
That's how I was taught. Not that I've ever done it properly.